Hello, everyone. Thanks for tuning in today. It's another market moment with Randy Williams Gurian. Hey, I just want to check in. The markets have been doing great. It looks like the Fed is going to remain on the sidelines for the foreseeable future, and that's generally a green light for equities. Chairman Powell talked about the taper for the bond buying, and that's going to start probably in the next couple months, but I actually think that's going to be good for interest rates. Interest rates on mortgages will go up a little bit, which should slow down some of the excesses in the housing market. And then he said essentially that the Fed is going to be very patient before they start raising rates. And if that's the case, that's generally what they call a green light for the equity markets. And I think that's why you're seeing so many people confidently buying stocks here. In addition, I think going forward, we have a couple of other factors that should help the equity markets. We've got historically low interest rates. We've got the stimulus package from the government in terms of infrastructure is supposed to be passed in the next couple weeks, hopefully. And then we have this amount of money on the sidelines that I think is waiting to get into this market. So all these factors favor stocks over bonds. The bond market, most people don't understand, is very expensive here when rates are low. And that, it's just something that is hard for people to understand mostly. And then as rates go up quickly, you can lose a lot of money actually in the bond market. So you have to be very careful there. And we just think equities provide a better value. And I think that's why you're seeing record highs on the major averages, and we would expect the markets to do okay going forward. I'm sure there'll be a couple of pullbacks along the way, but that's to be expected. And the great thing to do here is, as we've said in the past, is just to own really strong companies that you understand or managers that you understand. And then you don't need to really be concerned about the up and down of the market. You just have a really strong portfolio for the long term. So thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you have a great weekend.